Okay guys, I want you to hello everybody. I want to show you the deer poop. That is called the deer poop. So it means there's a lot of deers in here cause that is their poop. Pwedeng pangkape. Now I'm going we're done. I can see buds in here. Look, you can't see it. Anyway, I have to go walk fast because I want to go back fast in my car. So we done. I'm done already for my 30 minutes video. Now I don't know if we can go back there in 30 minutes. I thought, oh my god, I forgot where I am. So we're gonna go in this side. That's up. There's a lot of poop in here anyway. If not, I can go climb that. We try to walk fast here. We're going to do 15 minutes walk. I don't know if I can do that. Anyway, I'm not going to mention anyone. If I mention anyone, then pasensya na, tayo nagmamadali. We have to drive. Aakyatin natin yung bundok. I don't know if I can climb that bundok in there. Okay, magmamadali guys. I want to go on that side, but I'm not going to. We'll just go back to where we walk. Kasi mas madaling akyatin yung isa. See, if you're lost in here, you're gonna lose yourself. Ito yung binag ko last time. We don't have any what's that? No signal here. Yan. Bumalik lang ako just to see the beauty of the nature. Pagod din ako guys. Pagod na ako. Pero kakayanin nating bumalik doon. Sa sasakyan. Wow. Ito yung nilakad ko. Layo pala. Ayoko na doon, dito tayo aakyat guys. So akyat tayo dito. Kasi pag doon pa tayo aakyat sa kabila, I don't know if I can manage. Dito na lang. Okay. Anyway, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa pag-walk natin? Akyat. Oh, pagod much. Ang daling bumaba guys. Ang pag-akyat ang mahirap. Oh, pagod. Parang maiiwan yung puwet ko. Oh. Oh my God. May naghihintay doon sa dulo. Doon pa ako nagpark sa kabila. Oh, pagod pa lang umakyat. Oh my God. Pagod ako, guys. Ang layo pa ng car. Anyway, doon lang naman tayo pumasok sa looban. Bye bye.